Hey, this is great, man.
We's in Bloke's kitchen, we's making banana cake with a subtle difference. So what you need bananas. Bloke's adding a bit of kiwi fruit. You need flour, you need sugar, butter, baking powder, an egg to tart it up a little bit, Mandeln as they say in German, and a bit of chocolate chips, rum flavouring, and while it's in the oven, a beer. Salt for flavouring, not in the beer. Preheat oven to 180. Fruit in a bowl, new kit. Butter, new kit. In a big bowl, bung the fruit in. Add melted butter. Jubbly. Add sugar, 100 grams of brown, 100 grams of white. Bung an egg in. Mix it a little bit. Some people use vanilla extract. Bloke here use rum flavouring. Pinch your salt. Add your flour. You can sieve it or you don't. Just a teaspoonful of baking powder. No more. And whisk it. Might want to change that to a spatula type thing. Looking good. Add your sweetie things, your nuts and chocolate, and mix it again. The butter that you didn't use your good old faithful paintbrush and butter your thing there. Sorted. Sprinkle your mixture in the tin. Spread it about a bit. When the oven's reached the 180 degrees, we've got starting point to cook. Sling it in. 1 hour. Job's a good one. In the meantime, beer. It's rising. See how my big fella's doing there. I'd say it's done. That, my boys and girls, is banana cake, bloke style. I really, really like you. Just smells so damn good. Oh, man, that is scrummy.